10 fantastic DIY live edge wood projects for your home. Erin Francois crafted this gorgeous live edge bench from a slab of walnut purchased online. She recommends using a slab that is at least 3 inches thick in order to accommodate the 1.5 long screws that are needed to attach the metal legs. Since the slab arrived raw and splintery, it was necessary for her to sand down all sides. She finished off her creation with 2 coats of clear polyurethane sealer applied with a foam brush. If you're looking for a live edge coffee table but are put off by the staggering prices, Elsie Larson and Emma Chapman over at A Beautiful Mess have some news for you. They managed to bring the price down to a measly $215. Their advice? Forget sourcing lumber from Etsy and eBay. Even if you can get a good price on wood, the shipping can kill your budget. Authentic live edge lumber is pricey. Is there a way to bypass the high prices? Spruce up your dull, ordinary fireplace by adding a live edge wood mantel. Colleen Pastor at Lemon Thistle treated her live edge mantel with 6 coats of varathane diamond wood finish to bring out the wood's natural colors and to give the surface a more finished look. Want to double the fun? This project combines 2 favorite styles, live edge and cantilevered, or floating, shelves. Since live edge is all about contrasts, how about adding an element that reigns supreme within the mid-century modern style movement? That element, hairpin legs. When Jenny at I Spy DIY needed a conference table for her studio, she knew she didn't want anything boring and run-of-the-mill, so she went in the direction of live edge wood. If the thought of taking on an ambitious project like a live edge patio table or bathroom counter stifles your creativity, one great entry point is this simple, easy-to-craft hanging table. When Melissa and Craig Hayes wanted a live edge table for their back deck, they didn't waste time trying to source authentic live edge lumber, they made their own. The live edges on their table were created with the help of a belt sander. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.